All right, so headlights, just as they sit, I taped them off a little bit. Now, they both look pretty bad, but this one seems to look a little worse than this one. So I'll start on here. We're gonna sand this down. I have four different grits of sandpaper in here. I have 800, 1500, 2000, and 3000. It's all soaking in water right now, so we can wet sand these. So we're gonna wet sand it. And once we're done, I cut them in half so that way I could use them for both sides. But once we're done wet sanding, we're gonna polish them, clean the polish off, clear coat them. And I'll show you the difference between this side and this side once I'm done. Now we just wiped it down because it was just covered in water, and it looks way more clear. And I also did that fog light a little bit too, but you can see the difference where all of that yellow film and haze from being damaged is on this one still, but not apparent on this one. So once I polish it and buff it, it'll clear up that haze, and then we can then clear coat it so that way it stays protected. And here you go, after sanding it and polishing it, clear as day. I still didn't even hit it with a clear coat yet. Once I hit it with a clear coat, it'll clear up even more because all those fine scratches and everything that hasn't been filled in with the polish will then be filled in with a clear coat to allow all light out. Those fog lights didn't work so well. I guess there's hazing on the inside, so I might just swap those out. But as for the headlights, good as new. So now I'm just gonna work on the other side, get that side looking like this, then we'll hit it with clear coat at the same time.